this really has nothing to do with my adventure today, but I was passing through Niagara Falls today on the way back from Lewiston and saw this house, and I've been wanting to stop and vlog it. So I don't know if I'm going to work it into this jet boat vlog or not, but this is the scroll of the Prophet Isaiah house. It's just very unique, very cool, and wanted to stop and get it. Yeah, that's a pretty unique house right there. Look at that. Very cool. Very unique. Hello world, it's your Unkle Heavy with my weekly vlog. So today I am on location back in Lewiston, New York. Kind of on this kick where I'm catching up with all the action things I couldn't do before I got a GoPro. So today I'm doing something kind of cool. I'm going to be doing that Whirlpool jet boat right there. We're going to go down the Niagara River, more appropriately up the Niagara River, and circle around the Whirlpool. We're gonna hit a lot of banks and a lot of rapids. It should be really, really awesome. I just double checked. I could bring the camera on the boat. It's gonna be really exciting. So this is one you're not gonna wanna miss. Already got my tickets. Let's go see what kind of wet trouble we can get into. Do come along.
Camcorder. Mine. No way.
And off they go. No idea how incredibly saturated they're going to get on that boat in the next 20 minutes. They have a shield here now, so you don't have to wear a mask on the boat. It works for me. There's our boat right there, just waiting for us to load. Thank you.
Come on in, watch your step, head all the way to the left.
Thanks. I'm in the third row, which is a good place. It looks like the seat in front of me is going to be empty, so there's going to be absolutely nobody stopping the waves from hitting me.
Alright guys, who's ready to go jet boating? Woo!
Yeah! We're so doomed. And there's Brock's Monument. This is definitely the calm before the storm.
All that whitewater today. All right, we're going to get moving here. Let's have a look at see our on. This is an orange southbound boat. We've got one out here. That's the rain.
Moving down.
They're all forming. About 360 degrees. Hamilton time, baby.
Yeah!
Alright, everyone, nice big hand for Captain Adam. Everybody clap. We are going to be doing a few of those throughout our set, but please don't get up there. Just put it in the bag with your finger in the air, whipping it around because we want to do another one. A little bit higher on that watercraft.
Hey, that's the Queenston-Lewiston bridge that goes over to Canada.
Right above you guys is the Lewiston Queenston Bridge that is connects to Lewiston to Queenston. It's one of the four bridges in our area that connects the United States to Canada. That means for the duration of our trip, they can start walking there. Coming up on the right-hand side, the bridge is
boats for Canada.
Down and around here, the falls is stuck in water. Water is transported through pipes. Those pipes go to reservoirs. Those reservoirs have turbines that are spun in a 360-degree motion. And that power is produced right there. And those waters are just out right there in front of you on the right. Those are called outflows.
Now, if you've seen my vlog on the Power Vista, that's it right there. Here's the view from the water. Another reference here. There's woods right there. If you see my Devil's Hole cave vlog, up there. Somewhere right out there. They're gonna get so wet. Look at these waves. Look at these rapids.
We're going to be looking up here at me for the most important part of our trip, which is our whitewater safety position, which you guys got to be in for the rest of the trip, okay? Okay? So everybody facing forward, holding on, bracing ourselves. Do not try to duck or dodge these waves, guys. They're going to find you no matter where you are, okay? All right, head on a swivel back of the boat. Captain Adam likes to sideways. Hopping on in. Facing forward, holding on for me, guys. Alright everybody, a nice big thumbs up for me. How you guys doing? Thumbs up. Alright, that's how it's going to feel. Now we're going to add some water, okay? We're going to be kicking up things. Usually there's more cheering. Devil's Hole. Woo! Alright, we'll get your marks as we go. I'm going to count you guys 3, 2, and then 1. Take a nice big deep breath on 2. We like to call this very first full run the truth. But if you've never seen your girlfriend without makeup, oh no. Here we come. Holding on, facing forward. 3, 2, 1. Holding on, guys, facing forward. Here it comes. Come on. Woohoo! Oh, good job. Holding on. Don't turn away, okay? Don't turn away. Perfect. All right, everyone, nice big thumbs up. All right, sounds good. But guess what? I still see some dry spots back here. So guess what? We're going to turn around and head on up for our second hole run through Devil's Hole. Come on, come on.
We're going back around for another round. That's what we just went through and are going through again. Alright, hold on, facing forward. Ooh, Beastie is here. I think little Beastie. Alright, here. Oh, right now.
Oh my God.
Hold it on. 3, 2, 1. Facing forward. It's on the forward. There you go. Little bit more, little bit more. I think that got rid of those dry spots. What do we think? Nice big thumbs up, everybody. How we doing? Perfect. Absolutely. Whirlpool Jet Boat
completely
Tours.
soaked head to
Let's
toe
go
right
check
now.
out that famous Niagara
It's like
Whirlpool.
4 inches of water in the bottom of the boat. But I'm loving it. This is just amazing. Over there is the aero car, the Whirlpool aero car. To go back to my Niagara Parkway vlog, I filmed that one too. Yeah! That, by the way, is Canada.
Any of those waterproof cameras now, if you get time to take them on out, start snapping a couple of pictures. You guys can take one of me. The first one's free. After that, I start charging.
That's the aero car right there. That's Canada. That's Canada. That's the US right there. Got it? I'm gonna try to go up there later after we're done with this boat ride and get the shot from up there. So this is the Whirlpool right here. It's about 126 feet deep.
Grab those yellow seatbelts, bring them up nice and tight.
Those rapids.
Look at W, you can see the Spanish American arrow car. There it is. We can wave at them if we want. Sometimes they wave, sometimes they don't. There are many countries here on that. For about 103 years now, I think we've come up to Canada to Canada. Sometimes we're over there with that chance to go over there. Alright, going on out those double doors. Here we go. Basic forward hold. All right, hold it up.
Here we go again. Here we go.
Here we go. Right down the hill.
Here we go. That went up my nose.
You want to do that? Yeah. That was too fast. You want to do that?
Yeah!
All right, let's do it one more time around the block.
Oh man. Alright, face shot.
Make sure we don't forget about our breathway, guys. 3, 2, 1, all right, here we go.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. This one's big. This one's really big. This one's big. This one's big. Here we go.
Oh,
I'm dying to see how that last one came out because that water all up in my nose. Ow. Everything.
Everybody clap.
I love those 360s. Awesome.
If you guys enjoyed your trip today, please give us a shout out. My name is Amanda, that's Captain Adam.
A nice shot of the silo over there. There isn't a bit of me that's dry right now. That was a Whirlpool Jet Boat. If you're ever in Lewiston, highly recommend coming out. Give it a go. So I just kind of wanted to get this post-ride shot from up above. Here's the Whirlpool where we were before. Over there's the aero car, and you can see the turbulence. That is the Whirlpool. If you see it swirling right there. Well, that's going to do it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I really enjoyed making it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up down below and tell your friends. If you're new to my channel, check out some of my other vlogs. If you like them, consider subscribing. Make sure you hit that bell so you'll be notified of all future posts I put up. Until next time, signing off from Lewiston, New York. Bye-bye. Gotta make sure I put a towel in the seat because I didn't bring a change of clothes.